Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look today at a 2025 Transcend 335BHT. Slight variation on last year's 331, definitely our best-selling Transcend model from last season. This is a 3-slide family camper, all kinds of great features. We'll touch on some of the outside features before we head inside. You see right here you've got a tankless water heater so you can run your shower for extended periods of time and not run out of hot water. Outside kitchen's got a flat top grill and a little fridge, a spot to plug things in, and a few storage things there as well. You've got a good size awning on the outside of this unit. JBL speaker system. LED strip under the awning makes things nice and entertaining on the outside. Your Lippert solid steps make it nice and easy to get inside. A couple new features of those this year we'd like to point out to you as well. But we're just doing a quick walkthrough for today. We'll show you all the cool stuff when you come to visit us. So we mentioned it's a family camper. Here, as soon as you walk in, you'll see you've got two solid state recliners, nice and comfortable. That's for mom and dad to be able to sit back, relax, and enjoy their television, which is located directly across from the TV. You've got a drop-down U-shaped dinette, so if you do need extra sleeping, for whatever reason, you do have that option to drop the table down and get another double bed, but you've got enough room there to fit 4 or 5, maybe even 6 people around the table for family dinner, family game night, that sort of thing. Take a step back here and look as we head towards the back of the coach. There is some storage space here to the right just as you get ready to go into the bunk room. We'll go in there in a second, but let's take a quick look at the kitchen first. Got a nice big side-by-side Furion fridge, 3-burner cooktop, microwave above. Again, we pointed out the TV earlier. High-rise faucet. Nice little feature here. You've got the matte black finish to the paper towel holder there, and some great storage underneath the kitchen area as well. Probably what makes this almost a perfect coach to me, right here you've got the additional spot for a coffee bar, margarita bar, that sort of thing. Just want to have some extra storage, you've got that option there as well. Let's take a look at the bedroom before we head to the bunk room. In the main bedroom, you've got a nice big dresser built into the wall, good sized window here to keep things nice and bright. You've also got windows in the slide as well to free up some airflow to make sure everything stays nice and cozy and fresh in here. Good storage above the bed. You can see there's some USB ports back there too, so you can set your phone up there on the ledge, or anything else you might want to keep charged nearby while you're camping. You've also got a really good sized closet at the front of this unit too, sliding pocket doors on that, and of course on the inside here you've got pre-plumbed for washer dryer hookup if you would like to have that. Again, great camper for extended stays. We'll head to the back of the camper now, check out the bunk room and the washroom area. So here on the left, good size washroom, big shower, great storage setup, all kinds of spots, nooks and crannies to keep your linens and that sort of thing. Foot flush toilet, and a sliding pocket door to make it nice and accessible without tying up too much floor space. Speaking of floor space, I mentioned before we came in the 3 slides. As you look back up the camper, you can see all kinds of space created with the 3-slide layout. Okay, the star of the show is the bunk room. So you've got this nice beautiful couch back here. You've got a bunk over top of it. We can slide that up and out of the way with a simple push. And you've got a nice spot back here as a secondary social space or bunk room for the kids or company that may come along. You've got more storage here to the left, more storage underneath, another double bunk here, and a single bunk over top with a couple windows. Of course, you do have charger ports here. Switch here for the light, another switch underneath there so you can keep this nice and bright. Really just a nice big bright beautiful bunk area, and there's a spot up here if you'd like to mount a television. In the bunk room there's a spot for another one back here as well. So folks, this has been a quick look at what is my favorite family camper, the Transcend 335BHT, new here in a lot of Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis. Our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton have some great options for you as well. Please come in and see us. We'd love to get you set up and ready to go for the new year.